Hello, welcome to EduSmart
Problems.
Global. In today's video, we are going to solve energy-related problem. And at the end of the video, there is a practice question for you. A 3 kg object is moving at 4 meters per second. What is the kinetic energy? So in this question, we are expected to calculate the kinetic energy. So Ke, which is kinetic energy, is unknown. From the question, the mass m equals 3 kg. If you look at it, say a 3 kg. So that is the mass. And the velocity is 4 meters per second. Okay? Because we were told that it was moving at 4 meters per second. Now, we record that kinetic energy, Ke, is half mv squared. Half mv squared. Okay? So if we substitute into the equation, we're going to have half multiplied by, the mass is 3, multiplied by, the velocity is 4. So we have 4 squared. So kinetic energy equals half times 3 times 16. So these two can cancel itself 1, 2 into 68. Therefore, our kinetic energy is 3 times 8, which is 24 joules. So the correct answer is B, 24 joules. A 4 kilogram object is lifted to a height of 5 meters above the ground. What is its gravitational potential energy? Take G to be 10 meters per second square. So in this question, we have to calculate the gravitational potential energy, which is PE. So our potential energy is unknown. From the question, we have a mass of 4 kilogram. So our mass equals 4 kg, right? And the G, we were asked to take G as 10 meters per second squared, and we're told that the height was 5 meters above the ground. So our H equals 5 meters. So we know that potential energy is mgh. So if we substitute, we have potential energy equals 4, which is the mass, multiplied by G, which is 10, multiplied by 5, which is the height. So that potential energy will be 4 times 10 is 40, 40 times 5 is 200. So we have 200 joules. So the answer is option C, 200 joules. A 5 kilogram object is moving at 6 meters per second. What is its kinetic energy? You are expected to solve this question and indicate your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.